Today, I would like to introduce you to our new programmable single-channel plug-and-play gate driver with telemetry features. It can operate high-voltage IGBT modules up to 3.3 kV. The one is P0635V2A0D. With this new gate driver, Power Integrations enables railway, power grid and medium voltage drives customers to gain telemetry data for predictive maintenance and lifetime modeling. System observability is enhanced by integrated temperature measurement of the driver board itself and an external NTC, DC link voltage measurement, gate voltages measurement, and gate monitoring, as well as short circuit detection, protection, and notification. Power Integrations' own programmable serial output interface reduces the complexity of the communication, allowing an easy integration into the customer's converter ecosystem. Comprehensive, application-specific qualification testing ensures product robustness with a service life of 20 to 30 years. Conformal coating and a 24-hour burn-in option provide protection in typical railway environments. For more information, please visit power.com.